Hi everyone, welcome. In our last few lessons we've been working with negation in French, in other words the equivalent of not, and we learned that not in French is ne pas, or the N apostrophe with the pas. The ellipsis here represents the conjugated verb, so in order to say not in French, all you have to do is place the ne before the conjugated verb and pas after the conjugated form of the verb. For example, I work, je travaille. The ne goes before travail and the pas goes after. And you have je ne travaille pas. And the equivalent of ne pas is not. So I don't work, je ne travaille pas. In this lesson we're going to look at the subject pronoun he, which is il. So he works, il travaille. So how do we negate with il? He doesn't work. Again, the ne pas around the travail, and you have il ne travaille pas. Il travaille, il ne travaille pas. Il travaille, il ne travaille pas. He likes, il aime. He doesn't like. Notice that this begins with a vowel, so the N apostrophe. Il n'aime pas. Il aime, he likes. Il n'aime pas, he doesn't like. Il aime, il n'aime pas. Il aime, il n'aime pas. He forgets, il oublie. He doesn't forget, il n'oublie pas. Vowel and apostrophe. Il n'oublie pas. Il oublie, il n'oublie pas. He listens, il écoute. Again, begins with a vowel, so an apostrophe. Il n'écoute pas. Il écoute, il n'écoute pas. Il écoute, il n'écoute pas. That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found it helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. If you know of someone that would find this helpful, please share. To continue learning negation, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. À bientôt.